Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to save number only on WhatsApp account, not in phone. In WhatsApp, now you see message and then you see number. So this number is not saved. So we are going to save it only on WhatsApp account, not in phone. So I already enable option WhatsApp contact in setting, then go to privacy and then click on contacts and then enable WhatsApp contact option. Now you see add button, save, add to contact, so click on it and then you see new contact, you see first name, last name. This phone number is on WhatsApp. Now you see by default this option disable sync contact to phone because we enable option WhatsApp contact on WhatsApp. So we are going to save contact in a WhatsApp account. This means your contact name can be auto restored on your WhatsApp account including your linked devices. If you switch device or reinstall WhatsApp, we do not include the name and phone number of any of your contact who do not use WhatsApp. So when you save number on WhatsApp, this number can be accessed on any linked devices. Now you see by default, sync contact to phone disable and then click on save. This name will only show in WhatsApp contact, not in your phone address or phone number in mobile. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.